If you have any surfaces in your home that you're worried may be contaminated with lead, you definitely want to use test strips that are accurate, test strips that'll give you a quick result, just so that you know if there is lead or if there's not lead in that particular item. So I was sent these for review. So this is the Next Gen Lead Test Swabs. So these are actually swabs, and you do get a result with these with 30 seconds. So all you want to do is take the swab, you'll put some vinegar on it, and then that's going to kind of activate it. So then you want to brush over the surface of whatever it is that you're testing. So say the paint strip outside, or maybe a ceramic dish or something, to see if there's lead. And then depending on the coloration of that particular swab, that will indicate whether or not it has lead or not. So really easy to use. Again, you have some color coding here. I'm going to open the box so we can see what's inside. So here's the bottle, and again, the packaging is very nice on this. I of course love that it's sealed up top so you can make sure that it is a quality product. It over here on the side also gives you the indicator on the color. So once you do the swab and you test it, you want to make sure that you're aligning it with here. So you want to see either if it's this darker color, that might indicate that it does have lead, and then this one over here, or just say that it stays white, that would indicate that there's no lead detected. So when you are taking the swab out, you want to make sure that you're not going to touch it, because again, that might mess things up with your test, so you don't want to do that. So then what you want to do is activate this with so just white vinegar. So you can see I have it right here, so I'm just going to dunk it in. Okay, and it is supposed to turn white. So it says if it turns orange or yellow, it's activated and ready. So this looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and go into my bowl here and just kind of start swabbing. And this is a ceramic bowl, so it should be, if it does have lead, it will definitely activate. So I'm just going to swab it around here. Okay, perfect. Perfect, that looks good. Okay, so we'll give that swab for about 30 seconds, and then now we're just gonna wait about 30 seconds to read the result and see what happens. Okay, and as you can see here, it's been about 30 seconds for me to just activate it and let it test. And you can see that it's definitely not turning maroon or purple or any of those colors. So that gives me some confidence that there is no lead in this particular ceramic bowl. So overall, the test was really easy. I like that I got a result quickly and that it was easy to activate with the vinegar.